Kapaali. 1, 2, 3, start. Kapalini Dayanidhi Umapati Tune Varuvai. So I will show you again. First we are sitting in Aramandi like this. Aramandi, then Keertanam, then Samapadam. With the hand, same hand, this bowl. Okay, we are showing the skull. 2, 3, start. Kapalini. Okay, then Yanidhi. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, start. Kapalini Dayanidhi. Now show the pose of Uma or Durga. Okay. So Uma and Pati. Pati is like who is embracing the Uma, goddess Uma. Here I am using Shikhara right hand and Trishula left hand. Okay. 3, start. Uma Pati. Here I am using, this is Kunchita Pataka and here Chatura. Okay. Either you can use Kunchita Pataka or you can use this hand, Hamsa Paksha. And this is Chatura. Like you are holding the, chin of the beloved wife. Like this. 2, 3, start. Uma Pati. Pati. Tune for protection. Varuvai. We are little changing it here. I'm holding the God's leg. I am just asking for the refuge. Like I am down to your feet. So this is the holding of God's, Lord Shiva's feet. So Tune, this is Kunchita Pataka, protection or blessing. Tune Varuvai. Okay, here I am holding the leg like this. This is Ardha Chandra. You make it round and hold like this in mushti. Towards 2 legs we are holding like this. Okay, let me repeat one more time this third hand. 1, 2, 3, start. Kapalini Daya